Hello, guys. So we are getting set up here. I'm moving around with my computer right now, and here is my setup. Now, currently, as you can see, I have 6 set up. Now, why 6? Well, I need to get a couple more. That's why. However, look what I'm doing. On the ground, I put a little piece of paper with a piece of tape on it, and that's where my pin goes. When you look at a bowling alley, and you look at the bowling pins, it starts with 1 in front, then we have 2, then 3, and then in the back, there are 4. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10. So we have them set up like that. That way, if a ball knocks them over, I know exactly where to put them when I set them back up. Now, like I said, this is a piece of tissue paper, and tape, and it's going to come off the ground super duper easy. So I'm not too worried about it. So I'm going to set up my 6 right now. When we get bowling full time, I'll have my 10 ready. Don't you worry. But I'm just giving you an intro right now. Now, what else do we have? We have a bowling lane. I have a line set up on the ground, so we can see a line and bowling, line, bowling, and that way we are ready to get going. So I'm going to get you guys set up right there. Go over some of the ideas of how we are going to bowl. Now, if you watch the warm-up video, we talked about 4 steps. Now, 4 steps was when I had the ball in my hand, I pushed it out. And as I pushed that ball out, my weak foot went forward. So if I write my name with my right hand, if I pretend there's a piece of paper in front of me and I start writing my name, that's my strong hand. That's the hand the ball's in. My weak leg is the one that goes forward first. So I push that ball forward first at the same time as this leg goes forward. So I'm ready to go. I push and I step. That's 1, 2, 3. And as I let go of the ball right here by the side of my body, not out wide, not up here, by the side. So it's once more time. 1, 2, 3, and I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. And this back foot here, my right foot, slides behind. It slides behind. So if I'm coming at you, it's 1, 2, 3. See that slide? And that's at the same time. Same time. So let's get some practice on that. Let's go all the way back to the wall. And we'll do it twice. So we push out. 1, 2, 3, slide, stand back up, push out, 1. Uh-oh, I slid first. I gotta do it again because we're doing a 4-step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we're doing a 2-step, it's that what you saw me just do. It's that step, slide. So it's that, just like that. So that's kind of a little shorter, like Mr. Briggs up here. He doesn't have a lot of room to go backing up, so he might do that simple little step, slide over there. So let's work on, one more time, that 4-step. That's what I really want us to practice today. Hand on the ball, weak foot ready to go. Ball being pushed out at the same time as 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how that leg is sliding behind. It's sliding behind. It's not that. It's not this. It's not this. It's not this. It's not that. Let's do it 2 more times, and then we'll get ready to go. So 1, 2, 3, slide. Set up one more time. Push out at the same time that foot goes forward. Left, right, left, slide. Now remember, if you're left-handed, it's just the opposite. The ball's in the left hand. Right leg is there, and it's right, left, right, slide. Just like that. So 4 steps, your weak foot goes first. So for my right-handers, left, slide. Left-handers, right, slide. Go ahead and keep practicing that. As you can see, I have my 6 set up right now. That's fine. I'm going to get a little practice in right now. I'm going to try it out. So it's that push left, right, left, and I slide it over there. I got 2. I pick up my ball, and if you can see, those aren't in the way, so I really don't have to move them. Because in bowling, we get 2 chances to bowl, to knock them all over. First time we bowl, we knock them all over the very first time. That's called a strike. Second time we bowl, and we knock over all of them, that's called a spare. Now, all the other times we bowl, we just have to count how many we knocked over. So we're going to go over that in our activity day. So also in our activity, you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. I know you got those. So what's next? Well, Mr. Briggs has got to change and get this room set up to be looking awesome. What do you need to do? You need to make sure you got a ball. You need to make sure you got your 6 or 10, doesn't matter, toilet paper rolls. I put little marks on the ground. If you're able to put little marks on the ground, perfect. If not, don't worry about it. They're just set up, spread out in a 1, 2, 3, 4 fashion, or a 1, 2, 3 in a triangle. And then we have our starting line that's down here. This line right here is about 12 feet away. What does that look like? That's about Mr. Briggs' 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm there. Maybe if you guys are doing it, it's 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. But we're going to make sure we stand behind the line when we bowl the entire time. So remember, squishy ball, socks. I got a pair of socks right there. I'm going to use them when we get going. So get set up, get your line set up, get your toilet paper rolls set up, get your ball, piece of paper, pencil. Wonderful. I'll see you guys in just a second. And when I do, this room is going to be glowing and awesome. What do you guys got to do? Hello, guys. What's up? What do you need right now? Well, as you can see, I'm set up. I'm ready to go for my bowling. We're going to have a blast. However, we got to make our scorecards real fast. I'm going to show you something here that is pretty easy to do. I'm going to kind of make it so you guys can see it nice and easy. This is Mr. Briggs. This is my scorecard. I'm going to have 2 spots on it. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many rounds of bowling we got to do. And then I got Mr. B, and this is going to be my score. So I'm going to add up my score. In bowling, how many chances do you get to knock down all the pins? You get 2. So if my first bowl I get 5, I would easily just put a 5 right there. Let's see if you guys can see that. A 5 right there. Now, if my next time I bowl, I get a 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So I put a 9 right there. Then my next time, if I got all of them, if I got a strike, that's 10 pins. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So there is an official, awesome, really cool way of doing bowling score, but that's really hard. And I don't expect you guys to know that because we haven't learned it, and we're not going to be doing that today. So we're just going to add up how many pins we can knock over in our 10 frames. So you're going to bowl right along with me. Now, as you can see, I have my bowling set up down there. Now, if you look closely right there, that's a water bottle. I don't have 10 of my toilet paper rolls. So I'm using water bottle as well. If you have 10 used water bottles, that's going to work perfect. Just 10 objects that can be knocked over. Now, as you can see, I have my 10 objects down there. I have my line right there where I'm going to stand behind a bowl. And if you're paying attention, in our last video, we talked about our push, step, 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 and let go of the ball. So we're going to practice our bowling as well. So right now, I'm pushing pause to get myself set up. I want you guys also to push pause. This is your time to practice, all right? You don't get any practices with Mr. Briggs. When I get back on the screen, it's you versus me, all right? We're going to work together on all of our scoring, so don't you worry about that. But what do you need? You make sure you have an area, a piece of paper made so you can add up your scores. 1 through 10, add up your scores. I'll explain all of that once we get going each frame. So make sure you remember how many you knocked over. If you knock over 10 every time, you're going to be the best. If you knock over 3, then 4, we're going to work together on all of our scoring. So get that going. You guys are awesome. I'm going to get set up. I'll see you in just a second. Push pause, practice, because when I get back, we on. Let's go. Okay, kindergarten. What's up? You guys have done the practice video. You got some practice. You just watched my last video on how to do our scorecards. You make sure that's set up. And if you don't have that set up, if you just have a family member watching you, they can add it up for you on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. So we're going to get going now. What do you need? You need a ball of some sort. I am going to use a squishy Nerf ball and a sock. Both fine. So we're going to go through all 10 frames. I'm going to bowl. Hopefully you can set up and bowl the same times I am. Remember, we have our line, which is about 12 feet, our 4 big kid steps away from our pins. Our pins are set up down there. I have 9 used toilet paper rolls that are empty, and I have 1 water bottle. If you have water bottles, perfectly fine. So Mr. Briggs is starting. This is frame 1. Hopefully you guys are ready. You're not going to see me bowl, and I'm going to go pick them up. I'm going to come back and record my score. So we're going to go do all this together, kindergarten. Stay strong, kinder. Let's get some bowling going. Ooh, I got 7 knocked over. So I'm going to put 7 down on my score. And we'll keep going from there. Yeah, I got 10. Now, the not fun part, guys, is cleaning everything up, but we can do it. Now, the one thing with cleaning everything up is it's not very fun. But I got 10 for my first round. I got all 10 knocked over. And now I'm on to frame 2. Remember, with our bowling pins, they're set up in a diamond. So they're spread out by about 1 inch in a diamond. If you can't figure that out, ask a family member for a little bit of help. I set them up and put a little piece of tape on the ground, so I always know exactly where they are. So I'm going to keep going. Frame 2. Here we go, kinder. Oh, strike. All 10. All 10, kinder. That's awesome. Now I just set them back up real fast. Come right on over. If you didn't get all 10, you keep bowling right now. So you go ahead and bowl. Bowl, bowl, bowl. And set them up. I'm going to give you a second here. I got my score written down. 10 again. Make sure you bowled it and you cleaned it back up. All 10 are set back up. Frame 3. You ready? I got my ball. I'm switching it this time, though, to my sock, just because I'm going to use everything you guys are using at home. So I got my sock, and I'm ready to go. Oh, I got 1 left. 1 didn't knock over. My goodness, Mr. Briggs. So close. So I come on over, and I put my 9 down. And let's see what's next. Oh, Mr. Briggs missed. He left it open. So he's going to set everything back up again. Everything back up. He gets his sock ball, comes over. 9 plus 0 is 9. I tried. Keep going. Frame 4. Let's do it to it. Oh, I got all but 1. No. Again, it's the toilet paper roll. It's looking good. I only need to knock down 1 more. So I'll write down my score again. 9. And I missed it again. Mr. Briggs is not feeling it today. Gotta set them up though, kinder. This is the not fun part, but it's the part that we gotta do so we can keep having our fun. So 9 plus 0. Oh, man. I got 9 again. Frame 5. Frame 5. Kindergarten, you versus me. Let's see it. Oh, what happened here? That guy's off. That guy's off. So I got 2 left. So if I had 10 pins and I take 2 away, 10 minus 2 is 8. So I wrote down my 8 score. I stand back up, and this is my second chance to knock over those 2 with the sock ball. Oh, and I got 1. So I got another 9, kindergarten. Another 9. Now we just pick it right back up. Come back over, write down our scores again. So 8 plus 1 is 9. And as you can see, we are halfway there. I've gotten 10, 10, 9, 9, 9. I'm going to move back now to my ball. I was having better luck with the ball. Let's see what happens now. Uh-oh, I got 1 left. Mr. Briggs cannot figure it out. 1 left, so I got another 9. Let's write that score down. 9 plus how many? Can I get the 1? If you're ready, kindergarten, go ahead and go. Yeah, got it. 9 plus 1 is my 10. I got my 10. Got to get set right back up again. Get my ball. The ball's working out pretty well. I think it's that sock that might be causing me a problem. 9 plus 1. So I got my 10 again. Frame 7, Kinder. You ready for this? Let's roll. Oh, no, Mr. Briggs. If you can see, I got 1 left. 1 in the corner. He's not getting it today. He needs 1 more. So another 9 for Mr. Briggs. Finishing off the 7th frame, kindergarten. Are you ready? Let's roll. Oh, my goodness. That was bad, 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 Mr. Briggs. Bad, bad, bad. He's just going to set it right back up and keep going again. If you can't tell, Mr. Briggs missed horribly. Horribly. Oh, bad, guys. So, 9 plus 1. I got another 9. 3 more frames, 8, 9, 10. This is when it starts to get a little scary. If you're ready, let's do it. Oh, he left a couple open. That's not good. He is going to have some work for him. He's got the middle pin, the farthest pin. That's pin 5 and 10 open. So he bowled an 8 that time. Let's see what he can do. Can he get a crazy spare? Let's find out. He does not. He only picks up 1. So Mr. Briggs only got 1 right there. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Mr. Briggs only got 9. He's not too happy with that. He's missing all those strikes he started out with. All right, frame 9, Kindies. Getting close to the end. Got him. Oh, he forgot his water bottle. The water bottle's still standing. Oh, another 9. He cannot win today. Okay. Mr. Briggs up. He pulls it. And he misses again. Oh, so anticlimactic. He's so scared. He wants to finish it. Another one. Oh my goodness, guys. 9 plus 0 is 9. All right. We're on our 10th frame now. As you can see, 10 frame, and I have 2 plus marks. The fun thing with bowling is, on the last frame, you get an extra round. So in my first 2 bowls now, I have to knock over all 10 pins. If I only knock over 9 pins, I don't get my 3rd chance. So I got to knock over all my pins on the first 2 chances. Let's see how it goes. Frame 10. Let's go. And he got it. Woo! All 10. What a bowl by Mr. Briggs. Let's set it up, and I'll show you what's next, my friends. Yeah. So, I knocked over all. So that means I get 2 more turns. And now on my 2 turns, I get to knock them all over. If I can knock over all 10 on this turn, I get another turn with all of them set up. If I only knock over 9 this turn, I have to leave those 9 down and go for that last one. So I got 2 turns left to knock over 10 pins. Let's go. Oh, I got 6. 6. So now I put a 6 in the center of my spot here. As you can see, 10 plus 6, and this is my last bowl of the day. Last bowl, trying to get these guys knocked over. And I missed it completely. Oh my goodness. So I put a 0 down, and I got a 16. Now I have to add up my score. So I got 10, 20, 30, 9, 48. What is that to 48? 57. Yeah, right. Yeah, so that's 27. So that's 57 plus 27. Again, oh my goodness, so many numbers. 6, 7, 84 plus 16 equals 100. I got 100. Kindergarten, hopefully you guys got a better score than me. If not, try again. Have some fun with this. If you have a family member watching going, wow, that looks like fun, get them out here. Kindergarten, this is our holiday lanes, Jingle Bells Lanes bowling. It's so much fun. I always have fun with it. Next year, when you're back at Jefferson, the gym is decked out. It is awesome. It's amazing. You will love it. But kindergarten, remember, go to our exit slip, fill out your score. Now I'm going to send dojo points your way. Happy holidays. Enjoy your break. Be active. Do your dream boxes. And kindergarten, I will see you in 2021. Bye, guys.